Look no further than the 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 60,000 miles on the odometer. The Jeep Grand Cherokee, the stylish all-terrain SUV that blends comfort, high performance, and rugged capability. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, backup camera, fog lamps, electronic stability control, intermittent wipers, universal garage door opener, tire pressure monitoring system, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats. Rugged versatility meets high-tech luxury in the Grand Cherokee. Get behind the wheel today.